So, you want to start karting and maybe, just maybe, in a few years become a Formula 1 driver like Lewis Hamilton or Max Verstappen? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to talk about how to get started with karting in 2025. And who knows, maybe a few years down the line too, if we don't have another global crisis. Plus, if you stick around, I will share why karting is not just about speed. It's about having a blast, making friends, and feeling like a superhero who can slide around corners without crashing. It's all about speed. Step 1. Start with rental cards. Before you run off to buy a shiny card that probably costs more than your car, start with rental cards. Wow. But hey, if you're rich, then go ahead and buy one. What can I say? They are like the training wheels of racing, cheap, easy, and you don't need a degree in engine repair to keep them running. Just like our best mechanic.
Rito, it's time.
Most rentals have 4-stroke engines, slow enough to keep you safe, fast enough to feel like a boss. There are faster 2-strokes if you're ready to ninja slide, but save those for when you're ready to show off. Step 2. Find your local track and practice. Find the nearest track and go practice. Twice a week is perfect. First time out, get comfortable, feel the kart, the track, maybe even say hi to the marshals. Second session, time to channel your inner Max Verstappen. Okay, maybe not his speed yet, but definitely his confidence. Remember, every F1 champ started here, and so you can. Minus the awkward crashes. In our next step, you should make friends and learn from your mistakes. Karting is 50% speed, 50% people skills. Chat with other drivers and the staff. They know all the secret tips when races are and who's the fastest. Usually someone you will want to race. Guys, this stays between us, alright? Keep a good relationship with the fear. Or boom, penalties incoming. When you're feeling brave, jump into a sprint race. It's short, 10 to 15 minutes, just enough time to learn how to overtake without turning your kart into a bumper car. Even Verstappen had to start somewhere. So if you finish last, welcome to the club. Every lap is a step closer to winning. Now, if you're getting really serious, then say goodbye to rentals and hello to the big leagues. The Rotax Max Challenge and the IME series. This is real karting, with engine tuning, proper race weekends, tire strategy, and mechanics who speak only in talk numbers. They've got levels based on age and experience, so you're not thrown into battle with 10 years olds who somehow break later than you ever will. For example, the first level is Micro and Mini for ages 7 to 12. Guys, these are the little rocket pilots. You know, the kids that look like they just came from math class but will overtake you like it's Mario Kart with a boost pad. Yeah, they race here. Of course, they have other levels too, like Junior and Senior and Masters. By the way, the category Masters is for ages over 30 plus. This category is for the legends who refuse to retire, just like Alonso, who is our rookie driver. Just kidding, he's a fast guy too. And the coolest part, if you dominate your regional races, you could get a ticket to the World Finals, where the best drivers from each country go head to head. It's basically the Olympics of karting. And the most important question, what is this going to cost? Here comes the wallet check. 2 practice sessions a week are about $60 each, so around $240 a month. Sprint race entry about $120. Step 7. Gear up smartly. Buy your own helmet and gloves once you're serious, but don't go spending on a flashy suit on day 1. No one wins because their helmet looks cooler. Trust me, I checked. Skill beats style every time, plus the less flashy you look, the more mysterious you become. Once you have nailed sprints, try endurance races, longer, team-based, and the perfect way to build stamina. So you've got some cash and want to buy your own kart? Let's look at the prices. A used kart runs about $5,000, plus tires, $250 a set, fuel, repairs, and of course, a good mechanic. Guido, get over here. Yeah, trust me, you're gonna need someone like Guido when your engine starts making weird noises after 1 lap. Alright, that's it from me. Go grab your helmet, hit the track, and I will see you in the next one. Stay fast, stay smooth, and of course, don't forget to brake.